Alrighty guys, Chris from Wiles Canopies and 4x4 here. Follow along today while we get a steel canopy and some J braces fitted on this next generation Amarok.
So heating them up melts the Loctite and then you can get them out easier. Brace kit. This is bracket. One for each side. That is a lot of Loctite. Rivet it up. Front corner. Hinges. back.
Alrighty guys, done and dusted. We got a steel canopy and J braces fitted on this next generation Amarok. It's going to be a steel canopy, as you guys know, factory fitted points, up to 300 kilograms, loading capacity, lift up doors on both sides. Very, very premium product for not much money at all. We've got them available from $2,000 supplied. Yes, you heard right, $2,000 supplied. J braces, they are recommended from Volkswagen, sorry, I should say, and Ford for any weight above about 45 kilograms on the top edge of the tub to maintain that factory warranty to stop your tub from being damaged in any way, shape or form, especially if you go ahead and take advantage of the 300 kilograms carrying capacity that this steel canopy has. Anyway, that's all. It's Chris from Canopies 4x4 signing off.